Hello, welcome to week 24. I hope everybody had a wonderful 3-day weekend. I did, it was very nice. So, what we are going to be doing this week is a couple different things, I think. The first thing, it's set up exactly the same. So we'll do on Tuesday at 11 and Wednesday at 11 are the voluntary times for office hours, questions, etc. Our vocabulary is about the same. We're working in PowerPoint. We're focusing on animations right now. So assignment 1 is basically, I want you to take what you learned from making the dog last week, and I want you to make me another animal. I don't need you to follow a tutorial. I just want you to come up with an animal and try to draw it using the shapes in PowerPoint. If you are so lost, you can go here to this YouTube video, and there are 6 different ones that he has on here that you can emulate, or you can do whatever it is you need to do with them. So he gives you kind of what 6 or 5 animals if you wanted to see if you could make any of those. So that is assignment 1. You are not animating, you are not making transitions. I just want you to reinforce the skill of using shapes. Okay. Number 2 is when you are going to animate your dog, Harlow, from last week. Okay, I have created 2 different videos based on whether or not you have the downloaded version or the web version. So you will watch them. They are a little bit different as we get more and more complex. The web version is very limited. So I'm showing some options. They're not great options, but you will not get counted off or anything like that if you are doing the web version one. If you have the downloaded one, it is awesome. You will have a lot of fun doing it, and I show you a bunch of different things, how to do voice, how to have a text come in, and how to animate the legs and head. And then assignment 3 is our vocabulary. But instead of taking a traditional quiz, we're going to play Jeopardy. Now, the biggest thing about this is for me to be able to give you credit for doing it, you must do the naming the way I tell you to. So when you go to assignment 3, it says you have to get an A, you have to get at least $6,000, and I will be able to tell what you are doing. You can take it as many times as you want to, but what I need you to do is what the naming console is period number and then your first and last name. If you take it a second or a third time, you do the same thing. You do your period number, first and last name, and then the number 1 or the number 2 or an A or something that's a little bit different, because if you do it the same, it's not going to record. Okay? So I do a whole video about it, but if you go to this Jeopardy game, this is where you are going to put in your first name. Your period number, your first name, your last name, and hit submit. You can choose, there's a whole bunch of different avatars you can be. You can choose an avatar, and then you have to come up with $6,000 right here at the bottom if you want an A. If you want anything under that, then you will get a different grade. When you are done doing it, or if you've missed too many, you can end game and start over. I will take the highest amount. So that is what you will be doing this week. If you have any problems, questions, comments, concerns, suggestions, anything, please let me know. Remember to send me a picture for the yearbook. It's coming up quickly. I need it by the end of the month, and I would like to include as many of you as I can. There is no way for me to include you if you do not send me the pictures. So please send me pictures and I will include you in the yearbook. All right, and other than that, have a great week and I hope to see you guys soon.